Hello, I'm Dr. Tiffany Anderson, the Superintendent of Topeka Public Schools, here to congratulate you. You made it. Along with me congratulating you, we have your principals and teachers, administrators at all of the high schools, our school board members, and the leadership team. See, Topeka Public Schools, we are leaders in education. We are here to ensure that we continue to engage, prepare, and inspire for a lifetime. And to whom much is given, much is required and expected. So whether you are an amazing graduate from Hope Street, Cap City, Avondale West, or any one of our 3 comprehensive high schools, again, we are so proud of you. Congratulations, graduates.
Congratulations to the graduating class of Topeka Public Schools. Today marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another, and we are here to celebrate you and all you've achieved. Before we continue, I'd like to take a moment to introduce my fellow members of the Board of Education. Vice President, Mrs. Lisa Schmidt, Dr. Ashley Beeson, Mrs. Sue Bole, Dr. Richard Bonebrake, Mr. Lalo Munoz, and Mr. Keith Tatum. Please join me in thanking them for their service to our community and their commitment to ensuring student success. Graduation is no small feat. It's the result of years of hard work, late nights, and moments of growth. Take a moment to thank those who supported you, your parents, family, teachers, and friends. In our district, our mission is to engage, prepare, and inspire students for a lifetime of learning. And you, graduates, embody that mission. On behalf of the school board, congratulations to our graduates. Go forward with confidence and know that your community is cheering you on every step of the way. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Nicole Johnson, and I'm the principal of Hope Street Academy. On behalf of myself and Topeka Public Schools Superintendent, Dr. Tiffany Anderson, along with board members, Mr. Keith Tatum, Dr. Randall Schumacher, Dr. Ashley Beeson, Ms. Sue Bole, Dr. Richard Bonebrake, Mr. Lalo Munoz, and Ms. Lisa Schmidt, I'd like to welcome you to Hope Street Academy. Today, we're celebrating all of the graduates who have completed their high school requirements. This senior class of scholars is truly a special group. These students have managed to persevere through many obstacles. They have overcome a variety of adversities to show their strength and character. This is a special time in life that is to be celebrated. The staff at Hope Street Academy is extremely proud of the dedication by these students and want to wish them the very best of luck in all the future endeavors. I present to you the Hope Street Academy graduates. Congratulations.